Mana? Where's Max? Yes, Max. Yes, Max. Yes, Max. Where's Max? Yeah, you have to come with this.
Hi! My best friend.
Long time.
Where's my best friend?
Okay. No.
No, no.
Yeah.
basket where you have basketball. One here, boom, pile. The wheat one. The night one, I never know. I be the bomb. The good day. Oh, the good day. Now, put it upon everybody. Nanny. No, I'm again. You are coming. Muna ba kwamba maskini inga tukimunyika tangu singkong. Simona tukachetu sasa.
Dawa ka Jackie Chan akechanga changa wana. Jackie Chan.
Sisi Jackie Chan. Jackie Ujingi. Yagete. Bye bye. I want to elaborate on that. Bye. First weight, beach. Minapa yang mama sobat mana?
Patrick, you're smart. Growing next year in BP 4. Oh, great. That will be good. Yes? That's lovely. Now you put on your mask. We are going to see where you will go for some video. The other place is small. Take a room. We need a room. Put a bed and a mat. You put a table like that. Okay. Unless we
You want to check on this person? There's somebody who wants to say hi to you. Can you see him?
Yeah, it's Patrick.
Are you seeing that? You stand.
Yeah.
You can talk to them.
Hi.
Are you?
I need to say hello to me. Hi, good. Yes. Bye. Let me check my girls. See, 1, 2.
Okay.
Let's see video channel. Let me check it together. Hey, I'm sorry.
अच्छा क्लास में ऐसे ना बजे 12
Thank you so much for that, for reciting for us those letters in alphabet. Oh, you said you're
I'm fine.
going to do them. You're going to do in class.
Okay. Yes.
Why? You're supposed to be in class.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me say hi to you. Yes.
So, children, let me first. Children, we have our friend Senior Patrick here, and he wants to say hi to you for just 1 minute. 1 minute, wants to say hi to you. So, I'm giving him a chance to say hi to you for just 1 minute, okay? He wants to greet you. Okay.
Hi. How are you? This is Patrick. Are you good, all of you? I want to say hi to you for just few seconds. Yeah, bye. I don't have more words.
Okay. Have you seen your friend?
No, you're running.
Yeah, have to do that. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I've learned your pleasure.
Hi, people. It's Patrick.
Talk to them.
Hi, people.
Hi,
It's
friends.
Sylvia.
Say hi, friends.
Yes, hi, my friends. Yeah, I'm seeing my friends, Ethan, David. Bye. I don't have more words. I just want to greet you. Oh,
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, Patrick.
yeah.
You are in class, yeah.
Hey, I had some problem. I had to come here, but I will do your work. I'll try to do.
Thank you. Thank you.
I just want to Patrick, you scared me. No. How are you? But I don't try. What? I don't like it. Today you are not in class today. I'm there, but my neck is not working. Let me tell you one. Oh. Is that Teacher Paul? Unatugania kwenye mchisao.
Fresh kidogo. Keti kulia papa. Tozi kiza.
Yes.
Stop. Let me say it again.
Kala kawala kanja kale. Walaga kakao buzako kasanya. Kaka no kaka faradi. You against Aja. Yerumi. Yadidea waticha mpandika waka. Amo the last number.
What's up?
Bye, teacher. When I say the flashback to you, and you tell me Princess said, oh, about touching the moon. But in my man, small cute. Small cute.
Yeah, you can do anything.
Ada gonya macho. Ama utale mwana mtakatifu changu keka Mungu kazi.
That's fine. Bunda usikana. Ndio kajanja.
Kajangu wasele mwana. Mara tugana na nyoma. Is it right? Nichai wanga huko. Tunaenda mkoa. Siri kano. Na yuko kamera. Church boy. Ama tayari wanga huko. Madam Misinga tino. You said this.